Hello all, welcome to chapter 19 from the book of Leviticus. This chapter is pertaining to the laws that God gives the Israelites to follow. In the beginning of this chapter, we see every individual had to respect their parents and keep the Sabbath. Also, idol worship was strictly prohibited. Sacrifice was to be done out of free will, and instructions pertaining to sacrifices were given. We then see, while harvesting, not everything should be reaped, and the gleanings of the harvest should not be gathered, and should be left for the poor and the stranger. Defrauding was prohibited. The wages of the hired worker should be paid the same day. The deaf and the blind have to be respected. We then see God informs not to be unrighteous to both the poor and the rich, not to do anything that puts the neighbor to disrepute or puts the neighbor's life in danger. The neighbor should not be hated in heart. Rebuke the neighbor only in wisdom. That is, to make the neighbor understand through wisdom if in case the neighbor was doing something wrong. No avenging the neighbor, but to love the neighbor as oneself. We then see animals of different kinds were prohibited from mating. No planting two kinds of seeds in the same field, and no wearing clothes of different materials. If a man has a physical relationship with a slave who was committed to someone else, then such a man had to be punished. We then see when the Israelites came to the land of Canaan, the fruits of the plantations were forbidden from eating for the first 3 years. The fourth year, the fruits were to be consecrated as offering to God, and the fifth year was the year when the Israelites could eat of the fruits. We then see no cuttings were to be made on the body for the dead. No print marks were allowed to be made on the body. Corners of the heads and beards were not to be rounded off. Prostitution was not allowed. Towards the end of the chapter, we see God instructs not to seek spirits or mediums, as this defiles the spirit. Stand in front of the aged and elderly with respect to them. The foreigner should not be mistreated. They were to be loved as they loved themselves. No fraud to be done in measurements and weighing scales. This is how the chapter ends. I hope you have enjoyed the video. Until next time, may God bless us all. Bye bye.